Έλα, καλημέρα. Βάλουμε 2 κόλλες επάνω. Πού τις έχεις? Ναι. 2 τσουβάλια κόλλες.
2 δεύτερα.
Και ένα στόκο γκρι. Πεντόκιλο, τι είναι αυτό το στόκο? Αρμόστοκο. Εντάξει, εδώ κοντά πάει. Γκρι ανοιχτό. Γκρι τσιμέντο, μπράβο. Ναι. Ή στο δικό μου ή στο Άγγελου.
Okay, so right now we're back at home and I'm looking to check for some parts for the truck. I found out that the parts that we got in the morning, it's not compatible. It needs something else. So we just need to go there and check for some new parts. Then I need to go back to the house that I'm rebuilding. We need to do some electrical work. Hey guys, today we're getting some job done down in the house, and we are installing all the last electrical stuff, and the painter guy is also coming. Oh, I got a phone call. Ναι, έλα Νικό. Γι' αυτό, εντάξει, εντάξει, ναι. So he just called me, he said he needs 6 spotlights. Now we need to go and shop. Now we came to the place where we buy the truck parts, and then we go to buy the electrical stuff. Crazy traffic today, and fortunately we found the part that I needed, and right now we're going to buy all the electrical stuff that the electrician gave me. So hopefully they have it, because this guy is hard to find. And let's see what we have.
Καλημέρα. Θέλω να επιστρέψω αυτό και να δούμε κάτι άλλα πραγματάκια. Λοιπόν, ασφάλειες. Να στα πω ή να στα δείξω?
Να τα γράψουμε, να πάμε μαζί, ότι...
Πάμε να δούμε ασφάλειες, λιχνίες, γενικούς και τέτοια, για πίνακα. 7 δεκάρες. Σνάιντερ. 3 εικοσάρες.
7 δεκάρες. Τι κάνουμε?
3 εικοσάρες. Μία 20 διπλή Ελέν. Μία 25 διπλή Ελέν.
Ναι.
Μία 16 διπλή Ελέν. 3 λιχνίες.
Θα προωθήσω εγώ.
Ένας γενικός.
Ναι, δώστε μισό λεπτό για να πάω.
Ένα ρελέ.
Ένα επί 40.
Ναι, 40. Ένα ρελέ.
Γεια σας. Καλημέρα.
Ένα κόκκινο καφέ μπλε, εξάρι, νιεφ.
Ένα νιάφ.
Κόκκινο μπλε καφέ.
Κόκκινο, μπλε.
I need a cheap one. This look cheap. No.
Από πάνω. Τι είναι αυτά που μας περνάνε από πάνω? Γεια σας. Καλή σας μέρα. Καλημέρα.
5 μέτρα δεν μου είπες νιάφ.
5 μέτρα.
Κάνα 5 μέτρα δεν μου είπες νιάφ.
Ναι.
Ναι. Α, 2, καλά πήρα 5, εντάξει δεν πήρας. Έλα. Είναι αυτές 10. 7 δεκάρες. Αυτές πόσους είναι? 6.
Αλλά δεν μιζάρει.
Άλλη μία.
Στο stand. Πίσω και ξανανοίξω.
Τώρα δεν με ανάβει και ένα λαμπάκι. Γιατί το λαμπάκι.
118,
Και
ναι.
ένα παιδί και δεν ανάβει λαμπάκι.
Για να δείτε το άλλο το κομμάτι.
16-25.
Τι είναι, προβολέας είναι? Ναι. Σε προβολέα, έξω.
I just bought all the electrical stuff. It's a lot of stuff. It took me a long time to find everything, but this store they have everything you need. Kafkas. So just heading back right now so the electrician can check if everything is right and we can start installing stuff. Hopefully we can finish everything by the end of today. I just reversed on a way that I wasn't supposed to reverse, and my driving license teacher was there with one of his students, and he saw me. He said, I saw his face from afar. He was not very happy. He was kind of disappointed. And I'm pretty sure he's gonna call me right now, or he's gonna text me with my violation. He's gonna probably send me a message on Instagram. Now I have to go back to take some breakers for the electric panel because that was not enough, and I need to return back to the house to install the breakers, and then we need to go take this part for the truck to the person that has a truck. Nice. Now the time is 12 and the heat is starting to become unbearable. And some people are trying to block me so I cannot drive straight. But anyways, now going back, I got some other stuff I had to take for the electrician. This is the third time today I think I'm going, or second time today I'm going. Hopefully he doesn't need anything else. Back into the office for a break. Κάμερα. Κάμερα είναι πάνω. Και έχει και μπρος και πίσω. Κοιτάς και τον εαυτό σου. Κοιτάς και τους άλλους. One more time. Back to the shop. Third time today. I need to go buy the LED because it was not compatible. So, yeah. Back to the shop. Just using a spray to spray paint the parts because these parts are not nowhere to be found, so we need to use the old ones. And let's go and spray paint the circuit breaker board. A lot better than before. The food is crazy. Oh my god. Back at the house, it's nighttime, and basically trying to clean up the mess that the electrician and everyone else left. I brought the tools here, and we're gonna do some modifications to the metal frame, which is for the front balcony. And basically it's just a mess here. Just need to clean, and things will start looking better for this house. And then we can start by moving in the furniture. Let's go. Done with the bathroom. Everything is almost finished. We got the basin, we got the toilet, we got the shower head, everything done. Here in the corner, it's all the old plumbing. We're gonna cover this with a box. Here is where the washing machine is gonna get installed, and we're gonna get some spotlights for the ceiling, and basically everything is done here. The rooms are all set. We got the two-tone colors, and all the electricals are done. We installed a new power breakers, everything, all with a Wi-Fi water heater. So you can connect your phone to it. And there's another room. All ACs are installed. We're gonna put another bed there, and most of it is done. We need to install the ceiling lights, and then we're all set. Another day. Just going back to the house to check everything. I see that painter is here. He's fixing all the details we left from last night. So I need to go check it out, see if it needs anything, and then we're probably done for today. Just got a call from my hairstylist. I just had to go because I forgot. I need to go get a haircut because my hair is shit. So I just loaded up all these old heating panels, and now I'm just gonna use a work truck to go get a haircut. So I'm back to looking like a human and not a caveman. Done with the haircut. Now going back to the house, check everything out. I think some of the heater cores, they just slide on on the back of the truck. So I didn't tie everything up, so I need to go check that out. And I need to consider if I'm gonna throw these away and replace them with new ones, or I'm gonna refurbish them, repaint them, and then reinstall them at a later time. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna have to decide. Ο χάλασε όμως την γωνία. So we're just finished working at the house. Just made a few holes for the lighting. Now I have to go to check the truck. Βόλτα περνούσα. Αλλά τίποτα, παίρναγα βόλτα, πάω κάτω. Έχεις τίποτα να κάνει?
Εξαιτίας να το βγάλω, παρήγγειλα και 300 μία λαμπή πυροκραίνους και την ώρα που το βάλα μέσα και δεμένο και λιμένο έκανε αέρα.
Ναι.
Θα το βγάλω, θα το βγάλω να το πίσω και πίσω.
Έχει σχέση τίποτα με το ABS αυτό, μπορεί να έχει πρόβλημα και το ABS του. So he just started working on the truck and it's gonna take some time until he finds a problem. He said that the truck now had air in both air compressor tanks in the morning at 11. So this is something crazy because the car wouldn't get air in the second air compressor tank. So he's gonna start over from the beginning. We're gonna see what's wrong so the truck can go to work soon. The car is left for washing. The truck now heading back to the office to do some work, and then we go back to pick up the car and then go and change to another car. It's too much work today, but fortunately made a lot of progress. Crazy night tonight. A lot of people in the club, and right now heading back home. The day was insane, starting from 8 o'clock in the morning till now. So need to go basically get some rest, and we're gonna continue the work tomorrow. What's up everyone, good morning. We're back in Athens today. We're going to have some food and then we're going to shop some things. Finished the food, it was incredible. This place is called To Omorfo. If you want to visit, it's in Kolonaki, center Athens, and the food is just amazing. You should try it out. Very weird day today. It looked as it was going to be sunny and then it was raining. Now it's actually, my car is actually destroyed from the trees and the mud, but I have to live with that. Now I'm gonna go to the home improvement store, buy some things that I need, which I wrote down, and then we're gonna see what else we have to do today because the day is not optimal. And let's go. This is one of the smallest parkings you can find. Here at the car wash, the car is super dirty, so I'm gonna try to wash it really fast and get done with all this excess dirt and get out of here fast. The sun is shining after the rain, so right now I'm gonna go for coffee. Just get the morning coffee, which is actually noon coffee. Just slept a lot, just got some rest. The beast is waiting here, and gonna meet some friends and do some networking. Let's go. So now leaving from Halandri, gonna go to Kifissia, meet up with a friend. We're gonna take out the Porsche Taycan for a ride. Weather is going cloudy again. It's not very nice. So heading back home now. Just left the apartment and I'm going back to the house. It's gonna be a long ride home, about 2.5 hours, but it is what it is, and hopefully I'm gonna get some rest today. And after today, right now, actually, when I go back, I have to go drill some holes and put some cones in the middle of the road to not let the cars park where I'm gonna work tomorrow. So it's gonna be around 1 o'clock in the morning, but that's pretty much convenient. It's gonna happen because there's gonna be no traffic, no cars at that moment. It's gonna be the best time to put the cones. Time is 12:50, and what I'm gonna do is I need to put some warning cones on the streets for the morning, because in less than 7 hours we're pouring concrete, so we need to get it done. Now and around, the best time to do this kind of stuff is late at night. So fix that. Going to put some more on another street down the road, and we're all set. We're all set.